leadership something we're born with and possess innately, or is it a capacity we need to develop and a skill we need to learn as adults later on in life? I like to think of a leader as anybody who has to or wants to influence the thoughts, behaviors, attitudes, and choices of another individual without resorting to their power and status. Just as we go to the gym to develop muscles that are already there, so in the case of leadership development, we're developing a capacity which is already there. We just want to get stronger. We want to get better. We want to become more effective. And a set of skills. Leadership development is about finding the greatness within us and learning how to project that greatness and use that greatness to inspire other people, to uplift other people, to transfer emotions of value to other people.